Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a plus 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16, and we solve this problem for the values of a. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to focus on both of the sides, so that first we rewrite our left hand side as this is a plus 2 to the power of 4. We write it as a plus 2 to the power of 2 and its whole square, and we write this 16 as 4 square. We know that 4 square is also equals to 16. Okay, so further you see here in the next step we move this 4 square in the left hand side, and it will be written as a plus 2 whole square and its whole square minus this is 4 square equals to 0. So here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know that if we have x square minus y square, it is equals to x minus y times of x plus y. So here our x is a plus 2 whole square and our y is 4 only. So that now we substitute these values of x and y in the right hand side of this equation. So our above equation is written as in this form. So first we have x minus y. The value of x is a plus 2 whole square minus the value of y is 4 into again the value of x is a plus 2 whole square and plus the value of y is 4, and this is equals to 0. So further in the next step we just convert this into the two cases, so that our first case is we take a plus 2 whole square minus 4 equals to 0, and we take the second case is a plus 2 whole square plus 4 equals to 0. So we call this is our equation number 1, and we call this is our equation number 2. So now we solve these two equations simultaneously for to finding the values of a and b. But here you remember one thing is that our given equation is fourth order equation. Its degree is 4. It means that we will just find all the fourth root of this equation. So here now we need to focus first on equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we copy down this equation here, and it will be written as a plus 2 whole square minus we write this 4 as 2 square, and this is equals to 0. So here we again use this algebraic formula. So according to this formula we rewrite this equation as a plus 2 minus 2 into a plus 2 and plus 2 equals to 0. So this minus 2 and plus 2 are cancelled by each other, and here we get a only, and here you have a plus 2 becomes 4, and this is equals to 0. So here we convert this into the two cases, and we get first the value of a equals to 0, and here we take this equals to 0, a plus 4 equals to 0, and here a plus 4 equals to 0, we get the value of a is equals to minus 4. So we get the two values of a from the first equation, and here we need remaining two values, so that we need some working to find these values from equation number 2. So that now we copy down the equation number 2. So from equation number 2 we have a plus 2 whole square and plus 4 equals to 0. So here we need to expand this square identity. We know that if you have x plus y whole square, it is equals to x square plus 2 times of xy plus y square. So according to this square identity, we write our above equation as in this form: a square plus 2 times of a into 2 and plus b square. So b is 2 square and plus this is our again 4, and this whole equals to 0. And now in the next step we need some simplifications here, and we write it as a square plus this will becomes 2 times of 2 is 4a, and this is 2 square is 4, and 4 plus 4 becomes 8 equals to 0. So you see here this equation will become quadratic in a variable, so that now we need to find the values. We find the value of a by using the quadratic formula. So that here first we write the coefficients of this equation, and the coefficient of a square is denoted by capital A, it is equals to 1, and the coefficient of small a is denoted by capital B equals to 4, and the constant term is denoted by capital C, and it is equals to 8. And you very well know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as a equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here according to this cubic formula, we need to substitute the values of above a, b and c here, and it will be written as small a equals to, this is minus capital B, the value of b is 4. It will be written as minus 4 plus minus square root of b square, b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 8, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is again 1. So after this step, here we have some more simplifications, and we write it as a equals minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square equals to 16 minus 4 times of 8 becomes 32, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So further in the next step we have a equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 32 equals to minus 16, and it is divided by 2. And now in the next step we have a is equals to minus 4 plus minus, here we again break this square root sign and we write square root on 16 and square root on minus 1, and it is divided by 2. And further we have a is equals to minus 4 plus minus, we know that the square root of 16 equals to 4 and the square root of minus 1 equals to iota, and here we break this fraction and we write this separately on both of these terms. So here we need to cancel these terms, so you get 2 times of 2 is 4, here again you have 2 times of 2 is 4, and we obtain minus 2 plus minus 2 times of iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So finally we have the 4 roots of the given equation are, these are the two complex roots, and the other roots are a equals to 0 and a is equals to minus 4. So these are the total 4 roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.